Okay, so some dickhead, maybe me, recorded about 10 minutes of stuff today, and then while copying it to my computer, accidentally pushed delete. So you get to look at a picture of the truck and listen to what we did today. Good morning. It is day 11 on our bus build. The sun is shining. We've had some rain overnight, so my first job is to get these big doors open and let some air in on my floor, which hopefully might get dry. I'm going to try to keep everyone off it for at least today so it can cure. Oh, that's really up my nose, look. What am I doing here? I'm fighting with the door handle here while I'm trying to videotape myself, so that wasn't quite as smooth as I thought it would be. Yeah, try to keep everybody and everything off my floor for another 24 hours, and then that top coat should be really done. I think Tom's going to finish off the solar and start wiring the batteries. He's also got to move his tools out of the bus into the toolbox. I've got to start picking timber for my bench tops because we have a heap more of the spotted gum, so I think I'm going to use that for my benches. So I start picking that and putting it aside so it doesn't get used for other things. We also may start making the bed frame, which we can make outside and lift in. So that's a job we can do without getting on the floors. And then I've really got to start like cleaning out the bus and moving the bus so I can get some sale videos and footage done. It's a bit of a shit show at the moment because like we're just working on the truck all day, eating in my parents' house and sleeping in the bus. So the poor bus just needs a good detail. So I might get onto that today and sort out our stuff, what's coming, what's going, what needs to be sold, what's rubbish, and we'll get onto that. First job, the sun's shining and my hair is full of paint and Sikaflex and shit, so I'm going to go and scrub my hair and then let it dry while it's nice and warm outside this morning. I'm just hooked up a quick little meter to check that the solar panels were working and everything, and we had 76 volts coming off the roof in the early morning sunshine this morning, which is excellent. Well, I think it's excellent. Tom knows all those things, but not me, but it sounds pretty impressive. What do we get off the roof of the bus? Don't know. 40 volts. So I've just spent a bit of time starting to move out of the bus and like sorting out what's staying with the bus, what's coming in the truck, and what we've got to get rid of. And it's a bit sad really because I don't know that I'm ready to move out of my bus. I love my bus and we've had the best 2.5 years living in it and travelling Australia, and we've made so many great memories here. Unexpectedly emotional at having to move, or starting to move out, and I guess it feels really real that we're ditching my bus house, which I love, and we've had the best times of our life in this bus so far, and I know we're going to keep living the lifestyle, but unexpectedly emotional at moving out of our bus, or starting to move out of our bus, and yeah, feeling a little bit sad because we've just had the best 2.5 years of our lives in here, and it seems counterproductive to be moving out of it. So I hope whoever gets to live in it next loves it as much as we have. Okay, end of day 11, and we've kind of hit a brick wall with the inverter, which we bought secondhand, and we don't have any real information on how it works. So I think pull up stumps tonight and do some Googling and see if we can find the answer to our questions on that one.